A man accused of rape is receiving child support from his alleged victim. So in Louisiana, Ponchatoula, Louisiana to be exact, there is a case of a woman, her name is Crysta Abelseth. She alleges that when she was a 16-year-old in, I believe, 2005, she was at a bar drinking with her friends, and this guy, who was 30 at the time, offered to take her home.
He offered to bring me home that night because my friend wanted to leave early.
Now, why was a 16-year-old at a bar drinking? I don't know. And I'm not blaming her, to be clear. I just, it's one of those things. What was going on that allowed that? Anyway, so this guy offered to take her home and instead took her to his house, and that's where she alleges that he raped her.
Instead of bringing me home, he brought me to his home. And once inside, he proceeded to rape me on his living room couch.
Now, she got pregnant from this, and, she hadn't told anybody that she had been raped, so she let everybody believe it was just a boyfriend.
Everybody else just assumed it was from a boyfriend, and I just let them believe that.
And then 5 years later, or 6 years later, so this was late 2005, this guy finds out that she had a daughter, and so he files to take custody, and in 2005 he's granted 50-50 custody. Now recently a judge in Louisiana has granted him full custody and child support after he alleges that the mother, this Crysta Abelseth, gave their daughter a cell phone. So right now this guy is, he's getting child support and he has full custody of this daughter. Allegedly, this daughter is a product of rape, and Crysta Abelseth, the mother, she didn't file the rape charge until 2015. She was under the impression that she couldn't file if she didn't do it like right after the event, so she didn't file until several years later when she became aware of her rights.
Well, like I said, I was young and I didn't know the law at the time. I didn't think I had any more time to do it. I thought if I didn't do it right after it happened, like the next day, then there was nothing I could do about it. And like I said, I went to that trauma counselor, and he informed me, no, you have 30 years after you turn 18.
The judge in the case, Judge Cash, who is up on the screen over here, the records are sealed, so nobody can see what's going on, but this is the judge that awarded the case to John Barnes, whose picture is also up here on the screen now. John Barnes owns a company called Gumbo Digital Branding. This is a web design company there in Ponchatoula, Louisiana. His website, at least used to, though it doesn't today, used to reference the local police department as one of his customers, and he has been reported by Crysta as saying that he's got connections. Let me see if I can find the quote. Oh, there it is. It says he has connections in the justice system, so I better be careful, and he can take her away anytime he wants to. I didn't believe it until it happened. This is quoted from Crysta. So it's possible that this guy may have influenced the justice system. The judge involved in this case does have at least one other accusation against him from about 7 years ago. Someone filed a petition claiming that he took contributions from 3 companies who were defendants in a case that he was trying. So we don't really know what's going on down there with this judge specifically, but it does sound a little fishy, right? There are experts quoted as saying, it's I've never seen anything like this. It's confounding and deeply disturbing. The case being sealed is weird. It seems like a really bad situation all the way around. Now, the first articles that I saw, stated that no detective had been assigned to the rape case filed in 2015. That police report is up on your screen as well. The most recent coverage from the last couple of days, they have now assigned a detective to investigate the rape report. The good news in this case is that, let's see, Raphael, I may not get his name right, Raphael Goyeneche with the Metropolitan Crime Commission says, that's why I'm making a referral to another agency today, for them to take a fresh look at it to see if it rises to the level of an actionable felony, and the agency that I would refer it to would have the authority to seek an arrest warrant and arrest any culpable individuals in the case. So now this is actually in response to, I believe the station is WBRZ. Now this is a station down in Louisiana. They ran a story and pushed to get more information, and their coverage has prompted outside agencies. These are other, I believe even the district attorney in the case is reinvestigating the whole situation. So it looks like there's going to be some movement in this case. But you know, it's a really sad situation all the way around. I've got all the links down in the description. I've tried my best to put everybody's pictures up where they go. If you found this content interesting, if you like this type of these types of videos, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. It would really help me grow the channel. Thank you.